This is Immaculate MLB 11,009 fresh case. Here we go. If there's a raised card, we'll randomize. If not, no point. Oh my God. That is sick. Wow. Oh my God. What an amazing card. Brian Dela Cruz, 1 of 2. Player War material. Holy. Marcus Freeman. What a beauty of a card. That's incredible. That is honestly one of the nicest cards I think I have ever seen. That is sick. That is, the more I look at it, the more I love it. Let's get a photo of that for the gram. We'll remove it from its protective sheath just for now. Holy. That's just... Oh, do we have one-touches? I don't think so. I don't think any that would fit this because they are so ridiculously big. Tuck. Wow. What a card. Holy. To 10, Muscaron. 4 of 10. Where'd all my thickies go? Oh, we'll come back to it. To 10, it is Luis Frias for Arizona. Let's get that out on the socials. To 49, it is Caleb Killian. Yes, Killian to 49 for the Cubs. For the Dodgers to 25, it is Zach McKinstry. And then to just 10 for the Minnesota Twins, it is Gary Sanchez, big old relic. That is Immaculate 11,009. What a bloody card.